Welcome, race fans. JJ here at Mixed Media Woodworks. February 1st, the great guitar build-off has begun. I unfortunately will not be entering it, at least at the moment. Money resources are extremely tight as we have just retired. So this is what you all get to listen to now. Did I just say y'all? Ouch, I gotta stop that. Anyway, here's what we got. I got templates here that I've been working on for a full-scale base for 2 different headstocks. We have 3 different bodies. Of course, none of these can be done either way. I've got a layout here already for a 30-inch scale. Yeah, I'm sure you can see it now, maybe, kind of. That's for a 30-inch scale. I've got 2 different fretboards. I've actually got 5 different fretboards, but these are the 2 that I'm going with. For the 30-inch build, full scale build, I don't know yet. That's still in the future, although I've already I've already got parts for it. Some of them, not all of them. I do have pickups to do 2 different builds, 3 different builds, but not 3 complete builds, if that makes any sense. I have one to do I call this a reverse PJ, because nobody else is going to call it anything other than shit. But first attempt. Something with scrap wood, basically, that I made this out of. Same as this. This is a P-base body, basically. We can either go with that shape or we can change it up a little because this template here can be used for this. So that's a work in progress. All works in progress. And what I was originally going to do for the great guitar build-off for a body is what I was going to call the A-base, an archipelago. Okay, I'm going to get it wrong again. Archipelago, I think is correct. Here's how it's spelled. You figure it out. Roughly with this shaped body right here. And let's do this. You can see there's something under there. I've taken great pains in detail work here to create what I'm hoping, once I pour this with resin, is going to be a ocean basin with the kind of a mainland and archipelago, that A word that I can't pronounce. Okay. At any rate, that's where we're at, and we'll keep you updated from there. Stay upright, breathing, creating. Keep at it.